So this math lesson comes from chapter 4, lesson 2, multiplying a whole number by a decimal, or multiplying a decimal by a whole number, using quick pictures. So thinking back to a few lessons ago when we were talking about decimal place values, we talked about how we represent a whole number by using a flat. We represent any number in the 10th place value by using a long, and any number in the 100th place value, we use a dot, or some people use a cube. So this problem that we have today is 5 times 600th. This is really saying how many are in 5 groups of 600th. So if I make 5 groups that have 600ths in each, how much do I have altogether? So we can use a quick picture to help us solve this. So I'm going to color in, we said a cube represents 100ths. I'm going to make 5 groups that have 6 cubes in it. So I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to say 100th, 200th, 300th, 400th, 500th, 600th. And then I'm going to switch to a new color. 100th, 200th, 300th, 400th, 500th, 600th. I'm going to switch to a new color. 100th, 200th, 300th, 400th, 500th, 600th. Okay, so that is only 3 colors. That's only 3 groups. So let's keep going. 100th, 200th, 300th, 400th, 500th, 600th. So now we need to switch to a new color. Let's use yellow. 100th, 200th, 300th, 400th, 500th, 600th. Now to find my answer, I need to make sure that I have 5 groups of 600th. So I should have 5 different colors here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to find my answer, now I need to count them all. Well, instead of counting all of them, I know that 1 long equals 1/10. So I can just look at how many longs I have first. So it looks like this whole column is filled up. Well, that would be 1/10. Looks like this whole column's filled up with colors. That would be 2/10. And this one's all filled up. That would be 3/10. So my answer here would be 3/10. Let's look at another problem. My problem is 2 times 38/100ths. So this is asking me how many groups of 2 can I make with 38, or how many altogether are going to be in 2 groups of 38/100ths. So remember, 38/100ths is going to be represented by the cubes. So I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to color 38/100ths first. 100th, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Now I need to go to a different color because I need to have 2 groups of 38/100ths. So we do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800ths, 900ths, 1000ths, 1100ths, 1200ths. 1300ths, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So now to find my answer, I need to figure out how many I have all together. So remember I said 1 long equals 1/10. So I have 1 complete row, 1 complete column. So 1 long, 2 longs, 3 longs, 4 longs, 5 longs, 6 longs, 7 longs. So I have 7/10. And then this is not a full long, so this would be my hundredths. I have 100th, 200th, 300th, 400th, 500th, 600ths. So my answer is 76 hundredths. Let's do one more. I have 4 times 24 hundredths. So I'm saying I need to make 4 groups that have 24 hundredths in them. So we're going to start coloring our cubes in. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And now I need to switch to a new color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hundredths, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I need to do another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And now I need to do one more group. So I need to pick another color. Then one more group of 24 hundredths. 100th, 200th, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now I need to figure out how many cubes did I color in? How many hundredths did I color in? Well, this would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 96 hundredths is what I colored in. 96 hundredths. But in decimal form, when I write 96 hundredths, I need to put my decimal point in front. And I could also have done this an easier way. I could have looked at how many longs I had shaded in, so how many columns I had shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know I had 9 tenths, because a long equals a tenth. And then how many cubes do I have for hundredths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 6 hundredths. So I found 2 charts that I wanted to share with you. The first one is this. It's just another example of a problem. It's asking you 4 times 36 hundredths. And this time when they did it, they needed 4 groups of 36 hundredths. And that actually went into a whole nother flat. So sometimes you'll need to do a whole nother flat. And when you fill up one whole flat, we know that that equals 1 whole. And I want to show you one more example. This problem says 3 times 15 hundredths. So they're saying you should say 3 groups of 15 hundredths. And they did exactly like what we did on our base 10 grid for our quick pictures.